Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the viral wavy filter video trend on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button and the thumbs down button. Well, this new wavy filter is applied to a person who is in motion, whether he's walking or dancing, or even someone who's just standing still. It creates a hilarious wavy effect that makes the person in the frame look as though they are dancing. Unfortunately, this effect is not on TikTok and you'll only find it on Instagram. So let me show you how to create this video using that filter. So first, open up your Instagram app. Tap on the plus sign on your story to add a story. Then tap on the camera icon. Next, swipe all the way to the right to browse the filters. Here, search for waves. Tap on the one made by car.ina_. Then tap on try it. Now record your video using this filter. Once you have the video ready, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on save. Now open up your TikTok app and tap on the plus sign to post a video. Upload the video which you have downloaded from Instagram. Once that video gets uploaded, add your music. The trending music with this filter is Cumbia Buena. Now you can add your text, stickers, and then you can post it on TikTok. And that is how to create the viral wavy filter video on TikTok. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.